Hey, what's up guys? Just want to make a quick video about kind of the build of the YouTube award. I've already done a full unboxing and the journey to this as well, meaning like where it shipped from, how long it takes. Those videos are already up on the channel, so if you want to see that, check out the channel. Anyway, this is the silver play button, 100,000 subscribers. This is the newer version of the two. They had an older version that had glass. The button was in the middle. What's inside, cut theirs in half. I'm definitely not gonna do that with this. This just looks like polished chrome mirror, metal type of a material here that puts off a reflection is gonna be this area here. This is all stainless steel, very thin stainless steel as well. They've capped it off with nice little rivets here. YouTube actually third parties this from an outsource award distribution place. So they create these awards and they send them from Oklahoma. We got like a little spot or tack, something or other there that puts on the thin piece up above. And again, this is all very, very thin stainless steel. As you can see here, the grain right there. This is all embroidered, so this is lifted up just a little bit as I run my finger over it. The bottom is the exact same way as the side we just saw. The only thing that happened was they put a little bit of a little thingamabobber in there. That's not really that big of a deal, but probably as they were pressing the pieces together, that actually is dented just a tiny bit right there, but no biggie. I can live with that. This side, again, right here, little tack there. So this is all, again, thin stainless steel. We got polished mirror metal here in the middle, and on the back is gonna be complete felt for if you were to hang this on your wall, etc. I don't know what that is. What is that right there? I'm not sure what that is. Maybe they goofed up and they just put an extra piece of felt there. Anyway, you have little hangers here. Of course, if you wanted to hang that on the wall, it doesn't come with anything like a little swivel thing to put it straight up, but most people just put it on their shelf, leaning up against something, but you definitely have some rivets here to be able to put that on some nail heads, hang that on your wall, etc. And if you are wondering, it is like pretty much on the dot, maybe a hair over 12 inches long and wide. We're going pretty much 10 on the dot, and we're gonna go about that wide there, a little over half an inch or so, I think, including the felt. And we're weighing in at 1 pound, 15 ounces, just a hair under. 1 pound, 14.5 ounces or so for the entire award. But I just wanted to make a quick video of what it's made of. Obviously, I'm not going to take it apart. I'm not going to cut through it or anything like that. But this, again, is the second generation, the second silver play button award. Definitely nicely made. I kind of dig the first one a little bit more just because the other one was raised up in a glass. But this one is cool nonetheless. Thank you guys for watching the video. Check out those other videos if you want to see me go in more in depth of receiving it, etc. Well, hit that thumbs up button, guys, on your way out and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next on the Million video. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.